Hang on.
Hey skaters, Kev here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about wheels. Some of the wheels we've used in the past and are currently using now. Let's start off with our rink skates. These are the wheels I'm currently using. These are the Radar Presto wheels. They come in different colors and different durometers as well. Mine are the 59 millimeter. You can get them in 62. They're 59 by 38, and the durometer of these are a 91A, which is perfect for me because I do a lot of shuffle skating as well as jam skating, and they're an all-around good wheel. Our local rink has not a ton of urethane, but just enough, so they work really well with our local rink.
Yeah.
And having a 59, you're lower to the ground. I think that it gives you more control.
Yeah.
So it's a good wheel. I like this wheel. Jazz is currently running these. These are the Java Juice wheels.
Juice Java.
The Juice Java, sorry, I got it backwards there.
Either way.
And the size or dimensions are the exact same as mine. 59, 38, but hers, as you can see there, they're 88s.
Just a little softer.
Just a little softer,
bit.
not much.
But these are good wheels for our rink because there's very little urethane on the floor, so it's not very sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have, ever since we went down to the 59, it seems to work really well for Jazz and I. So those are both good wheels. So moving to outdoor skating, man, we learned the hard way, me and Jazz. We were running our rink skates with our rink wheels, and it was rough
on the street. Oh yeah,
real hard.
Not fun.
Not fun at all. It wears you out quick.
Yeah.
You feel every bump and
crack.
Yeah. So totally, highly recommend if you're going outdoors, go to a much bigger wheel and a much softer wheel. And these are the first ones that I bought that were real big, and these are the what are these? The
Rollerbones Venice Beach.
The Rollerbones Venice Beach, and these are 65 millimeter in diameter. The durometer is 78. Softness are super
Very
soft. You can see there you can get cut up, but these have been on my skates for a long time, and I just took them off. I've used them up.
And the softer the wheel, the more they absorb all the cracks. They're slower, but on the outdoor, they're way better for
much more pleasurable to use a bigger wheel. Yeah. Definitely. So the newest wheels I've got, these are my brand new wheels. I got these are the Sure Grip Boardwalk. They're 65 diameter, same durometer of 78. So I'm really looking forward to trying these wheels out. Never used them.
All right.
Super soft. Totally recommend. Jasmine's using these Radar Energy wheels.
Yes.
They're a little bit smaller in diameter. They're a 62. But the same durometer, same 78 durometer.
Very soft, yes.
So she's been using these a little bit, and you can see they're holding up really well.
I've only used them a few times.
Yeah.
But I've had these types of wheels for like several sets, and I really do like the Radar Energy for outdoors. They come in like 57, 62, and
Great
65.
Wheel. Great wheel.
As far as diameter.
So then, moving to park wheels. I used to use these. These are the Dead Pets
by Rollerbones.
And these are 38 millimeter, 59 high, and around a 94A durometer. But once I started I really wanted to learn how to slide. Really can't slide with these on the coping or grind because they're wider and they're not beveled edges.
You can, it's just harder. It's just harder, yeah.
Yeah, so Jazz convinced me to buy these. These are the Moxie Fun Days. They're almost like a skateboard wheel.
Yeah.
You can see they've got beveled edges.
They're like designed the same way as a skateboard wheel.
Yeah. And the durometer is not really disclosed, but it's roughly around a 91, I believe.
91, 92, something like that. Low 90s.
They work really, really good.
So with the beveled edges, the idea is they don't get stuck on the coping when you're trying to slide.
Or on the deck or the ramp.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Slide.
Yeah.
These are 57 diameter, I believe.
Yes.
The width, I'm not really sure. 30. I'm not really sure of the width of these. But the contact point is smaller, as you can see, than the overall width of the wheel because they're beveled.
Definitely. Yeah, the way they're designed.
To me, it equates to a faster wheel. You go faster.
Yeah.
So totally recommend these for park. These are awesome.
We're both skating those at the park right now.
We both are. Yeah, we both love them. I'm glad. Thanks, Jazz, for convincing me to use these wheels.
Well, I like them a lot, the Fun Days. And I will say that, like, previously I skated the Moxie Trick wheels, the CIB Park wheels, and then Rollerbones Team Logo wheels, all of which are small, like 57 millimeter, but they're harder.
Yeah.
And in our local parks, there's a lot of debris and cracks, so I find, like, not super soft, but kind of a mid-soft, like low 90s is kind of more forgiving for some of that stuff. So I think it depends on the person and their parks and whatever.
Yeah,
too,
and your preference. It all
Yeah.
comes down to making your setup comfortable for you, and your overall experience will be so much better.
Yeah.
So this is a little overview of the wheels that we've been using and are currently using. Hopefully this has been helpful to you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to put your questions and comments below. And most of all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.